sinabi nyo there were 7 people dun sa inyong self-described death squad. Ano po yung mga pangalan nila at paki-describe yung structure ng organization na sinet up nyo, yung death squad na iyon?
Yung death squad ko, ang death squad ko, ma'am, is, of course, it is organized. Hanggang dyan lang.
Ano po yung structure ng organization na iyon?
Against criminals.
Hindi po, yun yung task siguro na binigay nyo. Pero anong structure ng death squad niya iyon?
Structure against crime and criminals.
Ibig sabihin, ano po yung setup? At sino yung 7 yon na miyembro ng death squad
Fight
nyo?
crime.
No sir, yung pangalan nung sabi nyo, 7 tao na nasa